Yo, 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 yo. Let's see if you guys can hear me. I think so, yeah. Amazing, amazing. Bro, I just recorded a video, uploaded it. You can see there's no sound. My mic wasn't on, so I need to re-upload this video, which is really annoying, but yeah, it's fine, bro. It's fine, bro. Let's see here. Yeah, so today I'm gonna explain my strategy, and I didn't take any trades. Like, I'm uploading now for a couple of days because the weekend there's no trading markets closed, right? On last Friday I didn't take any trades. I believe maybe one or something like that. And so I was thinking, every weekend when there's no trade taken, like for example every Monday to Friday I upload a video when I trade, right? And then I was thinking, like, on the weekends maybe I can upload more detailed videos, like for example explaining uh, more detail how I trade, what is trading, how does trading work, for maybe people, some of you maybe doesn't know much about trading and that, and you guys will be able to learn. Like, I can put out what I know about this, how much I know, and maybe some of you will learn. Maybe some of you are already better than me and can give me some pros and cons. So, but today, so let me know if that's a good idea. But today we go here. Let's see the market. So I didn't take any trade today on, for example, USD or this USD pairs. This is just me. I've marked out, looked for a good entry and that. Uh, it was bad price action today. The trade went in my direction. I wanted to do a sell, but I didn't get any good opportunity. Here is shit, to be honest. Here is shit also. Why didn't I take any trades today, you may wonder? Because bank holiday, banks are closed. We can see it here on Forex Factory. So, but I did take a trade here on NQ, which is basically Nasdaq. The only difference between NQ and Nasdaq is that it is on MQ you can buy smaller contracts, like you can do smaller trades, or how you explain. So I'm gonna try to explain really simple. Let me double check if my mic is on. Yeah, nice. My strategy and how everything works. So what do I do? What do I do? I mark out. I mark out ASA session. My ASA session opening may not be the same time for you, so make sure to look up your times and everything. But this is Central European time. I'm in Sweden. So I mark out Asia session. That's a hard word. London session, New York session. I trade New York session. What do I do then after I mark out all the session? I go to the 1 hour time frame. What do I do here? I mark out London highs, London lows. After that, what do I wait for? I wait for either London highs or London lows to get swept. Liquid sweep. One of these. When for example it happens, we can see this candle. You can see, if you look really close, this wick went underneath London lows. Yeah, so went in out with London lows. So how do I know this is a London lows? Because we have a bearish candle, a candle that goes down, then a candle goes up. That's a low, and we always praise the high and low end of the highest to lowest wick. So for example, bearish candle, bullish candle, that's a low. Here we have a bullish candle and then a bearish candle. That's a high, right? Same here. We have a bullish candle, a bearish candle. This is also a high. You can see. But this high is higher than this high. This is the highest high in London session. Makes it London highs. Right? Super simple. Here we got a liquidity sweep of London lows. What do you do then after? After that, I go to 5-minute time frame. Really simple. Here, this is the wick that took out the low. What do I do? When I see a liquidity sweep, I go to 5-minute time frame. I try to find a fair value gap in the direction of the liquidity sweep. So if we have a liquidity sweep to the downside, I want a bearish fair value gap. For example, here's a bearish fair value gap. Here's a bearish fair value gap, right? Here we have a bearish fair value gap, for example. Super simple. But of course, I want the fair value gap to be where the liquidity sweep here. So in this area, we don't have any good fair value gaps here. Any good fair value gaps here? No. So I zoomed out here. So this is just how I took this MQ trade. I zoomed out here. I see a really good fair value gap here. It's a bullish fair value gap, I know, but since it's a strong bullish fair value gap, I see the price here. It retested this. It did not just retest fair value gap. It took out this liquidity. What did I do then? I went to 1-minute time frame. Here on the 1-minute time frame, we can actually see a really good fair value gap. here in the direction of the liquidity sweep. So we have bearish fair value gap. Perfect. So it accepted this 5-minute fair value gap. Created a 1-minute fair value gap. After that, I wait for an inverse fair value gap. Basically, I wait the fair value gap I mark out and wait for it to get inversed. What do I mean by that is that I want the price to go retest the fair value gap and close above it. So here we can see the price closed above it. That's where I can enter my trade. And I have my take profit at this high. You guys can see straight take profit. It's super simple. You can have your, for example, it's a really good RR. I was happy with the trade. Normally, I would set my take profit at a 1 hourly high or low. So here we could have a take profit at London highs, which I would normally do, which would give us a incredible good trade. 7 RR, which is insane. Here you guys can see. Super simple. Super simple. So that's how I took the trade today. When I trade, this is futures. That was futures, MQ and Nasdaq. When I trade forex, I do basically the same thing. I just do one different thing sometimes. When I want to wait for an extra confirmation, if I'm unsure, I want to be more safe, I'll wait for an extra thing. So what do I do? It's super simple. So let's say the price goes like this. Goes higher, 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 right? And then it goes down. Let's say the price goes down. It takes out this low. We have a liquidity sweep, right? Perfect. Let's say also this happens on the 1 hour time frame. After that, what do? I go down to let me just write liquidity sweep. Super simple. After that, I go down to 5-minute time frame. I try to find a fair value gap. Let's say, for example, we got an amazing fair value gap here. So on the way down, when it took out the liquidity, we got a perfect fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap. And now I'm on the 5-minute time frame. I wait for the fair value gap to get inversed. For example, here, it didn't close above it, didn't close above it, didn't close above it, didn't close above it. Boom! There, it closed above it. Perfect. This is where I entered my trade here. But I don't do that. I don't want to do that now, because now I want to wait for an extra confirmation, right? So what do? I wait for this inverse fair value gap to get retested. And when it gets retested, I look for a break of structure to the trade, to the side I want to trade. So let's say the trade now goes up like this. It creates an inverse fair value gap here, and it comes back down. It retests this, right? Now I'm starting to get interested. So now I go, when this happens on 5-minute time frame, I go down to 1-minute time frame and look for a break of structure to the upside, because I want to buy, right? I want to do it like this. I want to have a buy trade. So here we can see, let's say the price goes down like this. Then we have a high here. Boom. Same high. You see there the same level. No break structure. Boom. And here maybe. Here. You see? If you look here, these two highs are same, equals. They didn't close above this high. This high, this candle closed above this high, this late high, for example, this high, but also this one, which creates a break structure. So my entry will be when this candle closes. So because we can't just have a candle go above a trade, above a high, and then we enter immediately. We need the candle to close above the high to create a break structure. Because maybe it retraces. So here, my stop loss would be maybe, let's say underneath this lows. It could be underneath the liquidity. But normally I would have it here. We have some strong points here. Underneath the fair value gap or underneath the liquidity sweep, doesn't matter. And then I would have my take profit at the high. Boom, perfect. We could have it already. That's poor RR. We could have it down here. That's 1.5 RR, which is decent. Not so good. Boom, perfect. And then hopefully the trade goes to take profit, right? Boom. Super simple. That's my strategy. It's so easy. It's super simple. That's how I do it. Let me just take away all this. Let me take away everything. So yeah, that's what I do. So first, what we look for, we mark out all the session, Asia session, London session, New York session, right? What I do after that, I look for, after that I mark out highs and lows on I mark out highs and lows on 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, because maybe there's like some other strong liquidity points above London highs or underneath London lows, so maybe the price will keep going down to that side. That's what it's good to have, right? Including London highs and lows. Perfect. After that, look for a, I don't know how to spell this, liquidity, you understand, my spelling, liquidity sweep of either London highs or lows. Super simple. If you guys use the strategy, this is a winning strategy. This is my strategy. How I was able to make my first real money in the trading market, just in a few months, by using strategy and backtesting and trading it over and over again. And of course, market experience. Look for it, a liquidity sweep of either London highs or lows. Super simple. Boom. What happens then? This is on the 1 hour time frame, right? All this is 1 hour time. I look for liquidity sweep. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Here, boom. After liquidity sweep, after we get the liquidity sweep, go down to 5 minute time frame and look for a fair value gap in the direction of the liquidity sweep. I just LWQ. That stands for liquidity sweep. So after I see liquidity sweep, I go down to 5 minute time frame and look for a fair value gap in the direction of the liquidity sweep, next to liquidity sweep. So if I have a liquidity sweep to the upside, I want to see a fair value gap that is bullish, a bullish fair value gap. If I see a liquidity downside, I want to see a bearish fair value gap. Super simple. Boom. Waiting on the 5 min fair value gap to get inversed. I think that's how we spell it. Inversed. Basically, I want a candle to close above. Candle to close above or underneath the fair value gap. Super simple. So if we have a fair value gap to the downside, I want like a bearish fair value gap. I want the candle to close above the fair value gap, which makes an inverse. If it's on the upside, I want the candle to close underneath the fair value gap. It depends on which way you go, right? When that happens, I go down to 1 min time frame and look. No, when that happens, I go down to wait, sorry. You can go down to 1 minute time frame or be on 5 minute time frame. It doesn't matter. But after it happens, I look for a retest on the inverse fair value gap. I look for a retest on the inverse fair value gap. When that happens, I go down to 1 minute time frame and look for a break of structure to the bro, my spelling is shit, direction I wanna trade. So for example, if we have a bullish fair value gap, it comes down, retest, break structure. I want to break structure to the downside, right? Because we want to sell. The opposite way here. If the price is bearish fair value gap, the price comes down, retest, goes up, inverse fair value gap, retest. I want that to see a break structure to the upside. So it depends if you're selling or buying. This is my strategy. All here. Super simple and so, oh, it's so easy. Of course, this is like quick brief. This video is just really quick to show you guys. If you guys want more detail, maybe me showing live examples here on the chart, or I can show you guys that, or do other things, or explain more detail. What is trading? How does trading work? What is a high? What is a low? What is a liquidity sweep? And show examples. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. Please let me know in the comments, and please share this video. Let's go. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible, do this the real way, showing my losses, my wins, and showing my journey until I become a 6-7 figure trader. And so right now I'm trading a live account. I'm doing copy trading on the side, which is making me money. So even when I lose a trade, I have made that money from copy trading. And also I do that, and wait, where did everything go? Yeah, so I do that, and yeah, so I do that, and I trade on a fund account also. So that's what I do. Super simple, guys. So I trade on a fund account on futures. I trade on a live account where I make real money, live money, and I do copy trading. So that's a really good thing for you guys to, yeah, follow my Instagram, follow my Telegram. It's a really good thing for you also guys to do copy trading the right way, because there's a lot of shit out there. Make sure to do the right way. If you guys want me to help you do it, show you how I do it and how hundreds of others do it and make money on a daily basis, let me know. Hit me up either on Instagram or Telegram. It's so simple. You make some extra income on the side. Takes no time. It's so easy to learn. If you guys want my help, I will help you step by step until you have made your setup. I think until you have made your first money. Also, you can literally make money the same day you start, like the same day or next day you make it. So it's really good. Of course, it's not anything life changing, but you will be able to make a few $10, $50, $15, $20 a day, maybe. Of the amount, you'll be able to make a few $100 a month. The next month, maybe you're able to, after like 3-4 months, maybe you're able to make a few $1,000s in a month, you know, extra on the side, just from clicking buttons on your phone. And you can do this if you work a normal job. You can do this while you're learning training yourself, or anything, because it will just take the stress down for you, so you don't have to worry about money as much. So guys, I hope you liked the video. This is my strategy and everything, really short explained. Of course, maybe I don't have the same energy because I already recorded this video, uploaded it, but I forgot to turn on my mic, or my mic wasn't on, so I don't know why. Hope this video was helpful, guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, bro, I don't know, sub up, show support, and let me know what you think about this video, and if you want me to do more videos like this, and maybe other videos on the weekends when I don't upload my trade videos. And then also make sure to join my Telegram and everything. So yeah, take care guys, and see you. What's up?